Hi, this is Max. He's my white German Shepherd dog. Today I'm going to do a review about our Black & Decker dustbusters. With the dogs, we struggle with dog hair all the time. We've gone to all hard surfaces in our house and we use these dustbusters and a robot vac to keep up with the dog hair. Now, this is my old Black & Decker dustbuster that I've had for about 7 years, and unfortunately the battery is giving up on it. So I ordered a new dustbuster from Black & Decker. I tried ordering a cheapo Chinese one and it was just a piece of garbage. So I went back to the dustbuster. But there's some pretty big differences between these two models. The first thing is how they're charged. The old dustbuster just has a plug-in and the new dustbuster has a wall mount charging station. So I'm not sure yet which one I like better. We'll see. Another difference is that the old dustbuster has a full-time switch where the dustbuster stays on, and the new one only has a momentary switch. You have to keep the button pressed for it to work. Also, the old dustbuster has a much larger dirt holding capacity. The new dustbuster is quite a bit smaller. The old dustbuster has this detachable crevice tool, and the new one has this sort of telescoping crevice tool. So they both have a similar power, although I do think I preferred the larger capacity of the older dustbuster. One little trick I have discovered though is if you remove this brush tool and I steal this old crevice tool from the old dustbuster, I can mount this onto the new dustbuster and use it as an extended tool for sweeping stuff up. So we'll see how the new dustbuster works. I just wanted to share my experience with the Black & Decker dustbuster.
Okay, I'm going to do a review on the Black & Decker dustbuster Cordless Handheld vacuum. I got this several months ago and I wanted to do a new review on it. Since it's been that long, it runs really good still. So what I'm going to use it on today is on my flowers that dried up and died off of the plant in the window. I have to pick them up and I don't really want them to all fall off because once they start falling off, they're getting in the bathtub in our guest bathroom. So I'm gonna show you how powerful it is. The button. So it actually works really well. Yeah, and then I had bought some more filters on Amazon also, and you could probably look at my profile to see what those are, but it's really affordable and it's still going after several months. I recommend it.
Alright, so this is a Black Decker cordless vacuum. Pretty simple to use so far. This is the on and off button, and then you open the bin to take out the trash over here, and it has like this filter thing, and then you just empty it out. Just put it back on. And then we'll go ahead and test it out. Try to open it up, remove the filter, and then I guess you just throw it out.
This is our dustbuster by Black & Decker. It's cordless, lithium rechargeable battery. Got a sweet mount. I'll show you in a minute. As you can see, we use it all the time. So there's hair. You can use it to suck up anything. Very easy button to push there. You got this button right here. And as you can see, it cleans as good as a vacuum. If you got little kiddos, you can't always get the vacuum out. You just get pretty much everything in there. It's super easy to empty it. Just take this off. And you can wash this filter here to get it, once it gets really dirty. Just dump it out like that. And this is set up so you can rinse it all off and everything like that. Super easy process. Then you're like this, back in business. So we just have it mounted in our laundry room here. Pretty simple system. You just slide it on, mounts like that, and it charges. Out of the way, easy to grab, cool spot.
This is how it works.
Yeah, good job.